This is so exciting, guys. This is so hard. Still getting some in there. Did Josh get a comment on the live stream? I already did that.
Josh, when we're ready, we want to leave the countdown.
Give us like a 40 seconds. I don't think I'll need it. Yeah, I think Forrest has an idea. That big old light bulb. It's going to lift. Still getting some of these. Bring it down some so that there's a lot of force. Yeah. I don't really hear what's on. Okay. I'm doing the count. Ooh. Wait, get out and make the super open like over there. Josh, you gotta go where it's super open like over there. Yes, bro. Get that off. Hold the tether out of the way. We will here in a second. Josh has got it. Oh, yeah. You know. All right.
Loud, romantic voice, the diaphragm.
All right, so I don't want to just let it go because it's going to go pretty fast. Yeah, it's trying to pull me up.
Honestly, that'd be kind of liquid. You get some
Yeah, but you lose running water.
Yeah. You just part of this river.
Don't get pulling along. Alright. Got this. Yo, guys! Small enough. I got it to this. Alright. Josh, tell him you're gonna need help counting now, bro. You're like, yeah, hey, there, you want to hold it? Okay. Alright.
Josh, you do it?
Josh. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's get this next box up. Just get their attention. Alright. Alright. Let's go, Josh. You guys ready? Alright, Josh.
It's time for the countdown. I need some help though. Say!
There it goes. Recovery. We'll get a video up on this channel when we get the unit back. Thanks for chiming in. Out. All right. We got you.
Am I done too?
Yep, you're done.